Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this tricycle manufactured by Little Olive. Content in the box: 2 wheels, parental handle, handlebar, backrest, main frame, cushion seat, front tire set, parental rod, mudguard, front basket, back basket, screws and nuts. To install the back wheels, press the button and insert the pin and washer in the wheel and fix it in the frame. Fix the wheel cap. Repeat the same process to fix the other wheel. Fix the front basket in the frame. Fix the mudguard in the front wheel set and insert it in the frame as shown in the video. Insert the handlebar in the frame and tighten it using the screw as shown in the video. To fix the back basket, open the screw and fix it back using the same screws. Press the button and rotate the footrest. Insert the parental handle in the small pip prefixed in the frame. Place the bar and tighten it using the screw and nut bolt. To fix the parental handle movement, insert the hook-shaped side in the front side of the frame and tighten the other side using a nut bolt as shown in the video. Insert the parental handle and tighten it using the screw. To fix the backrest, unlock the screws and insert it into the socket and then tighten it back. Fix the seat into the given socket and tighten it using the nut bolt. Unlock the safety harness and place the cushion on the seat as shown in the video. Place the bell on the handlebar and tighten it using the given screw. Now this Little Olive tricycle is ready. Kindly contact our customer support on WhatsApp at 910-287-6747 in case any issues.